Hey everybody, welcome to Leon's Chainsaw Parts and Repair. We're looking at a Super EZ for sale. This is a mid-1981 model. You can tell it's a later model. Has the plastic starter housing, plastic air filter cover, and the late style exhaust deflector. This is the most recent design. It's got this outer shield and then an inner baffle that's supposed to channel exhaust out like this. And you know, some of the earlier designs of this didn't have that inner baffle, and it would just burn the logo off to, you know, just a crisp or a chunk of carbon. But anyway, this one runs good. Looks like it has a brand new coil in here. I'm not sure why the saw was scrapped. I didn't have to bake that coil. It was good from the very beginning. Fuel hose was in good shape. The carburetor needed some attention, so it went through it. Check valve was in great shape. Got a new grommet in the air filter here. So, air box, good to go in there. Let's say the carburetor was removed, fully rebuilt. Manual oiler works good. Automatic oiler works good. The plate for the decompression valve pivot over here, those plates were missing, the pin and spring were missing, and somebody had really jankied this up, but I've got it back to where it's working properly. It'll throttle lock and then release, drop the pin. Take a look under here. Both caps have new duckbill valves, the oil and fuel caps, so they're not going to leak. This cover has a crack in it right here, but it's, strong. It's obvious it was dropped or something. Won't hurt the function. Bar plates are in decent shape. Some, normal wear, nothing big. Brand new spur sprocket. Bearings greased up, clutch is in excellent shape. Let's have a quick listen. This should be a good firewood saw for somebody.